Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the printer and gathering essentials. Make sure the device is powered and connected. Plug in an Ethernet cable if wireless menus are unreliable. Once done, note the current SSID and password and any static IP you may have configured so you can restore settings later. Now go to the printer control panel or open the embedded web server using the printer IP. This is where the network reset options live, so you can begin the first actionable reset steps immediately. You will now perform the core reset procedure. If using the control panel, navigate to Settings, choose Network, then restore network defaults or network reset and confirm. This clears saved Wi-Fi profiles and DHCP leases. If you're in the embedded web server, open the System or Network tab, select Restore Defaults, and apply the network restore. For many models, you can also press and hold the wireless button for about 10 to 20 seconds until the LED blinks. That forces a wireless network reset. After the reset, you must reconfigure network settings so the printer can rejoin your network. You'll enter the SSID and password through the control panel or EWS. Make sure DHCP or static IP settings match your network plan. If the printer fails to join Wi-Fi, connect it by Ethernet, restart the router, and check for a firmware update. These steps often resolve driver or radio issues. If nothing works, perform a full factory reset or contact HP support. That's the key trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.